In this short video, we'll be discussing how to use the word conducive. Conducive is one of the words on the academic word list. The definition of conducive, according to the Cambridge Learner's Dictionary, is making something possible or likely to happen. Let's take a look at the use of conducive. Usually when we use the word conducive, we follow this pattern. So this is probably the most common pattern. Noun phrase, and then be conducive to, and then another noun phrase. So let's look at a couple of examples. Exercise is conducive to overall good health. So we have is conducive to. A noisy environment is not conducive to studying. Quiet environment is conducive to a restful sleep. Diligence and motivation are conducive to success. So you can see that in all of these sentences, we're following this pattern: noun phrase, be conducive to, and then a noun phrase. So we can see that the definition is pretty clear in the use of conducive to. We can see that in this first sentence, exercise is conducive to overall good health. We can see that exercise leads to or helps to lead to overall good health. Same applies for the second one. A noisy environment is not conducive to studying. So in other words, a noisy environment does not lead to or does not help lead to studying. The last one here, diligence and motivation are conducive to success. We can see that these two nouns lead to or help cause success. So this is the relationship between the noun phrase before conducive to and then the noun or noun phrase after conducive to.